Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Ford Ecosport with a key. First, examine your key fob carefully. You'll find a small release button or switch, often on the side or back. Press this button firmly, and a hidden metal key will spring or slide out. This physical key is crucial for manually unlocking your vehicle, especially if the fob battery is dead. Keep it handy for these situations. Now, locate the keyhole on the driver's side door handle. It might be slightly concealed, so look closely. Take the metal key you just released and insert it completely into this keyhole. Make sure it slides in smoothly and is fully seated. Do not force it if it feels stuck. Gently wiggle it to ensure proper alignment before attempting to turn. Once the key is fully inserted, turn it clockwise. You should feel a slight resistance and then hear a distinct click, indicating that the door lock has disengaged. After hearing the click, gently turn the key back to its original position and remove it. Now, simply pull the door handle, and your Ford Ecosport door should open, allowing you to enter the vehicle. If the door doesn't open after turning clockwise, try turning the key counterclockwise instead. Some models might have a different locking mechanism. Remember, this manual method is primarily for emergencies, so consider replacing your key fob battery soon for easier access. Also, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.